How to add Instagram Reels cover from camera roll. Launch your Instagram app. At the bottom, you'll find different options. Tap on this plus option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now at the bottom right, you'll find different options. Tap on the option of reel. Now select the reel that you want to upload. After you select the reel, tap on the option next. From this page, you can edit your reel. After you do that, tap on the option next. Now from this page, you can easily edit cover for your Instagram reel. All you have to do is tap on the option of edit cover. At the bottom, you will get this option of add from camera roll. Tap on that option. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can choose any of the picture to add as a cover for your Instagram reel. After you select it, tap on the option of done. And with that, you have just added Instagram reel cover from camera roll. Now you can share it or you can save it to draft. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add Instagram Reels cover from camera roll. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.